Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Felix Blaze. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this slice in Photoshop. Okay, so if you want to slice this particular text in Photoshop, then you need to watch this video. So for you to do this, what we are going to do now is we need to create our test. So I've already created my test like this with some kind of effect on it. You can see that there's kind of textures and whatever, everything on it. So let me open up so that you see the effect I have applied. I have applied bevel and emboss, stroke and drop shadow. I also have applied a texture on it so that the test look more quite good. So what we are going to do right here is to create a mask. So I will just go in here and create a mask like this. So when I create a mask like this, I'll go in for my polygonal lasso tool. Okay. So I'll go in for this polygonal lasso tool. Okay. Then I have to create this particular slicing effect here, so I want to slice it like this any way you want it. Okay, so based on your discretion you can make your selection. Okay, so from here you make sure that the foreground is set to black. Okay, then you press alt plus backspace to delete the top part there. Because we have a mask, everything is not destroyed. You let me hold shift and click inside this and see I still have my text in there. Okay, hold the shift and then click inside again and everything goes back to what you did. So what I will do right now is to make a copy of this, control J. I have this. So in order to slice this the down one away, let's go back like this and let's assume we don't have anything. So in order for us to get the down goal, what we do is we will select this one and then press Ctrl I to invert this. Now this one, look at what is going to happen. So we have this one and then let's turn this one off and we have this one. So you get it. So turn the two on and then we have our slice. Very simple as ABCD. So what we are going to do now is we will select the top and then move it up a little like this. Okay, like this, and then position it. Make sure your move tool is selected, otherwise it won't work. So I'll just pull this one up a little. Okay, something like this, and then bring this one here, and you can see that I have sliced the text. Okay, I have chopped that part away. So from here I will select the first text and then I'll create a mask there. I'll create a new layer. Sorry. So after creating the new layer, what I'm going to do is I'll go and grab my brush tool, B for the brush tool. Then I'll select this particular layer. I'll make sure the foreground is black, and then I'm going to do some kind of painting work here. So I just need to make my rough paint like this in here. Oh, but something has happened. Look at the whole of this area. Oh shit. So what I can do to save me from this particular effect is just to reduce the opacity to this 80. So I will just make sure the move tool is selected. Okay, then what I would do right now is I will change the opacity to maybe 80 or better still 70. Then I'll right click on this and choose clipping mask. So you have something like this. If you think the shadow is too um transparent, you can increase the shadow to maybe 80 and see, and we have something like this. Let's go here and bring our text down small. Okay, so that it will be more realistic. So we have something like this. So this is the very simple way you can create this slice effect in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have learned something small from this video. My name is Felix Blaze. If you're new to this channel, do well and subscribe. Bye bye.